Jose Maria Canlis Sison, February 8, 1939. December 16, 2022, also known as Joma, was a Filipino writer, poet, and activist who founded and led the Communist Party of the Philippines, CPP, and added elements of Maoism to its philosophy, which would be known as national democracy. His ideology was formed by applying Marxism-Leninism Maoism to the history and circumstances of the Philippines. Sison was born in Ilocos Sur to a landowning political family. He was educated in Manila, studying at Ateneo de Manila University, Colegio de San Juan de Letran, and the University of the Philippines. He then became a professor of literature, political science, and Rizal studies. During his youth, he learned about the rebellion of the communist Hakbalahapuk, which ended in 1954. Sison joined the Partido Comunista ng Pilipinas (PKP), Philippine Communist Party, in 1962 and became a member of its executive committee in early 1963. In 1964, he co-founded the Kabatang Makabayan Patriotic Youth. However, Sison's faction had several disagreements with the PKP, leading to the first Great Rectification movement. After Sison's faction were expelled from the PKP, he founded and became the chairman of the Communist Party of the Philippines, CPP, in 1968. Three months later, Sison and Bernabe Buscaino, who led a faction of Huk holdouts, organized the New People's Army NPA to stage a proletarian revolution. Sison was captured in 1977 and was imprisoned, mostly in solitary confinement, until the People Power Revolution of 1986. The new government under President Corazon Aquino released him for the sake of national reconciliation and for his role in opposing the martial law regime of President Ferdinand Marcos. Nonetheless, he also criticized the Aquino administration. In 1988, while in the Netherlands as part of his international lecture tour, his passport was revoked and he was charged in the Philippines for violating the Anti-Subversion Act. From then on, he lived in the Netherlands but continued to advise the communist movement in the Philippines. From August 2002, Sison had been classified as a person supporting terrorism by the United States. The European Court of First Instance ruled in September 2009 to delist him as a person supporting terrorism and reversed a decision by member governments to freeze his assets. Sison was charged with several counts of murder in the Philippines and the Netherlands. He died in exile in 2022. The CPP, NPA, and the National Democratic Front (NDF) are considered terrorist organizations by the Philippines Anti-Terrorism Council. personal life, Sison met his wife, Julie de Lima, when both were students at Diliman. Attending the same study groups, they grew closer and married first in a civil wedding in September 1959 and then in a Catholic church wedding in January 1960. The couple had 4 children. His wife belonged to the prominent de Lima family of Iriga City, Camarines Sur, and is the aunt of Lila de Lima, who served as chair of the Commission on Human Rights during the presidency of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, secretary of the Philippine Department of Justice under the administration of President Benigno S. Aquino III, and senator during the administration of President Rodrigo Duterte. He was the chairperson of the International League of People's Struggle and the chief political consultant of the National Democratic Front of the Philippines. Later life and death. In 2017, President Rodrigo Duterte claimed that Sison had colon cancer. Sison, while admitting he has been hospitalized at the Utrecht University Medical Center in March of that year connection to his rheumatoid arthritis and sweet syndrome symptoms, said that he had no serious illness, including cancer. In early 2022, reports emerged that Sison had died. Sison himself refuted his supposed death. Later that year, on December 16th, the Communist Party of the Philippines, alongside its news organ ANG-bayan, announced the death of Sison after he had been in hospital in Utrecht, Netherlands, for 2 weeks. And DFP executive Luis Jalandoni disclosed that Sison died due to heart failure after almost 3 weeks of hospital treatment, although he did not provide more details about Sison's death. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.